Hello guys, this is Isha Mahato with another incident that took place in Dimapur, Nagaland. Recently on 16th May 2021, two unidentified men have allegedly beaten up a shopkeeper, a non-Naga Anil Roy, in the Chetaswari colony of Westyard area in Dimapur for refusing to open his shop during the lockdown hours. Anil Roy was commanded to open his shop by the two men, but he denied any sales, which led to them brutally punching Roy in the face and breaking his teeth. The son of Anil Roy, Animoy, told the media that the two men were trying to force into their house and said they came there for checking despite them being in civilian outfits and having no identification. When Anil Roy tried to stop them, they punched him and broke a couple of his front teeth, leaving him bloody and injured. The two men even misbehaved with his mother and sister, who were in the house during the incident. Animoy said that they had informed the police after the incident, who visited shortly after. The police have assessed the situation and have cautioned the victim. We hope that justice would be done to the family of Anil Roy and culprits be taught a lesson at the earliest. Only condemning such acts like this won't matter. We need to unite and take genuine true action for the innocent. Only then we can bring change and make life better. Let's not go against any caste, tribe or religion, but support humanity and believe all should be equal. Especially during this lockdown, let's try to uphold one another by educating the guidelines to the unknown. Just remember, an eye for an eye will leave the whole world blind. Thank you.